Okay, what I actually did now, I finished cutting the slips. I put them in water. The longer ones, I put them in a bucket, 5-gallon container, maybe 10-gallon container.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's happening, y'all? So it's 2021 now, and I just want you guys to check out with me my experience that I had trying to grow sweet potatoes. My coworker gave me a slip, is what they call. It's like a little vine with a couple of leaves on it, and I put it in water. I let the leaves grow. I let the vine grow itself, and then I planted it in a container. Well, I just dumped the container over. I didn't break it apart, and I want everybody to experience with me. I said, let me film this. Let me show you guys what my first experience of doing it. So let me see. We're gonna go outside here, and we're gonna check and see what's happening. So this is it right here. This was the container that I put it in. As you see, there was roots that were growing from underneath there. And then this is the whole little mound right here. And I did notice that there was a worm or two on the top. So there'll be worms in here. And I'm just gonna stomp it out. So this was at the very bottom. Oh, okay. As you see right here, we got a worm that found its way inside the container. Worms are always good for soil growth. We got another one. This is basically nothing. Got this here. And trust me, just because they're not big doesn't mean that they won't be good. I mean, hey, this was in my yard that grew. Look at this. I'm gonna do a little continuation, hold on. These are a few sweet potatoes that are organic, right from my backyard. You see we got a few more little ones here. I'm going to pull them out. You know, any little bit. I'm gonna clean them up. And I'm gonna cook these babies. This is all free food that I got from a little vine, small little vine from my coworker. Yeah, so that's it. This is from one little leaf cutting that gave me this. I mean, you can't complain, man. Like I said, it's free, it's organic. Let me show you my moringa. Now, I had co-workers that have problems growing moringa. And as you see, I don't know, there you go. This little bit is growing, and it's the winter time right now. So that's way more water than what they needed, but I don't really water it at all in the winter time. It's in the pot. So my irrigation system is not getting it. And I haven't watered that in a couple of weeks now. So yeah, it's soaking in really good. It's my pineapple top. This is another sweet potato bin that I got that I'm going to be opening that in a second. And this moringa tree right here, which is doing good for the winter. This is from seed. This one's from seed. And it's, you know, it's winter time. So I'm proud that it's still holding on. You know, you got little flowers on the end. And it's gonna be okay. These are my basil. These are my peppers. Look at there. Still got stuff growing in the wintertime. All right, let's dump this over. Let's go somewhere where we can fill up the dirt. Now we can dump it right here. It's fine. Dump that. Okay. These not really too much of anything, but it's all good. I'm gonna try to replant these green vines, put them in water, and then plant them in another month. So yeah, that's all that came from that one. One nice potato. So yeah, we got some free food. That's what it's about right there. This is my harvest. From smaller than this, a cutting smaller than this. Okay, what I actually did now, I finished cutting the slips. I put them in water. The longer ones, I put them in a bucket, 5-gallon container, maybe 10-gallon container, I don't know. And the other ones, I put them in a cup. So let me show you what I did here. Let's take a look. Well, let me switch this around. So this is what I did here. Those are the smaller ones. And there. I got them by the window. The sun never directly comes in on this north side of the window, so we don't have to worry about too much sun exposure. Yeah, and this is how you do it. So let's see what happens next year, or this year, I should say. We're gonna start planting seeds and things inside now and get ready for planting, I guess, the first week of March. That's how I'll do it. Happy planting, everybody. Happy growing.
Rinse with new Dawn Power Wash Dish Spray.
X96.9 Road Check from the Valley Toyota Dealers Traffic Center.
What's up in Tempe? We have an accident.
Oh snap.